filming.
Oh, it is filming? Yeah.
And then hold him when you get it.
You can tell he's under there. Why'd you put sand on him? Why'd you put sand on him?
To camouflage him?
It's not really camouflaging him well. I don't know why you had to camouflage. What were you camouflaging him from?
I took one picture and I got battery slow.
Not till we say now.
Just let him eat. Not breathing, Scott.
Oh, that was the big one!
Babies are brown. And that's a real seagull. It's not
Hold on.
Alright, wait.
God.
Because if they all see they can land, then more will land.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh, go!
No, wait.
Got him!
Oh, you got it. Now release
Got him.
Let him go.
Now let him.
Eating tonight.
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Let him go. He's gonna bite you.
Yeah, there you go, chicken.
Yeah, Fasha,
Let him go.
what is he doing?
Stop. Let him go.
What? Dad, what are you doing?
Honey.
He's gonna bite your finger right off, Chuck Bauer.
What?
Don't break his wing. Don't break his wing.
Now you're just being stupid.